Dear students, we are in topic of quadratic equations objective level 2. In previous class, we have discussed the level 2 class homework sums until 36. Now, depends upon modulus function. This is IMP for mains, only for objective. This is completely apart from IB. Modulus function. The schedule I am writing 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 43, 44, 46, 48, it is IMP question, 50, 51, 54, 55, 56, 57. From 54 to 57 are previous answer questions. Print mistake are there in answers in previous answer questions. Let us discuss whether the mistake or not. Now, let us start from 37th question in this class. 37th question, number of rational roots. Number of rational roots. Number of rational roots of modulus of x square minus 2x minus 3 plus 4x is equal to 0. Modulus of x square minus 2x plus 3 plus 4x equal to 0. So here we can understand that the modulus value taking in positive way and negative way. Later positive concept and negative concept substitute here and we should get the value. Case 1 and 2. So depends upon modulus concept. We should consider as x modulus of x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. If x square minus 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. The concept is modulus x is equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0. The x is full complete with the expression here. And modulus of x square minus 2x minus 3. Modulus of x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to minus x square plus 2x plus 3 if x square minus 2x minus 3 less than 0. So for greater than 0 we should calculate roots and for less than 0 we should calculate roots. Later we can substitute the case. Put it is Roman number 1 and this is 1 and this is 2. For 1 I am writing. For 1 means x square minus 2x minus 3 greater than 0. So that implies x square minus 3x plus x. X square minus 3x plus x minus 3 greater than 0. That implies x taken common, it is x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 greater than 0. That implies x plus 1 into x minus 3 greater than 0. So that is x does not belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 3. That is x less than minus 1 comma x greater than 3. So case 1 you write down. That is taking modulus is positive. Case 1 that took from Roman number 1. So modulus taking in positive way, x square minus 2x minus 3 plus 4x is equal to 0. Now x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. X taken common, it becomes x plus 3. Minus 1 taken common, it becomes x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is equal to x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 1. Students, depends upon this value, we should consider the roots of this given quadratic equation number 1. We should consider x less than minus and x greater than 3. There is no x is equal to 1 is not less than minus 1, not greater than 3. So don't take this value. According to x less than minus 1 concept, x is equal to minus 3 is the correct answer. X is equal to minus 3 is correct. Keep it side. And now you should write case 2. Case 2 is taking this from 2 I am writing. X square minus 2x minus 3 less than 0. So x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 less than 0. And x taken common, x minus 3 plus 1 is the same this one I think. X minus 3 less than 0. This is the case, x square minus 2x minus 3. So x plus 1 into x minus 3 less than 0. So x belongs to open interval minus 1 comma 3. Whatever the value you are taking from Roman number 1, the modulus function, the roots we should get between the minus 1 and 3 values. From 1 we can write. From 1. Take negative value students. So minus x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 4x minus x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 4x is equal to 0. That implies minus x square plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 6 plus or 36 plus 12 is 48, 48 is 4 root 3. So you can write 3 plus or minus 4 root 3. 3 plus 2 root 3 comma 3 minus 2 root. Let us see the option 37 question. Because these are not that 3 plus 2 root 3 comma 3 minus 2 root 3. 3 plus 2 root 3 comma 3 minus 2 root 3. Let us consider root 3 is equal to 1.732. 3 plus 2 into 1.735 point something greater than 3, it is not possible. And 3 minus 2 root 3, 3 minus 2.732, it is 0 point something. 2 into 1 point, no, it is not possible. 2 into 1.7, 3.4, 3 minus 3.4, minus 0.4, chance is there. Let us verify this is 4 root 3. 6 plus or minus 4 root 3 whole by 2. That is equal to 3 plus or minus 2 root 3. Root 3 means 1.732, 3 minus 3.4, minus 0.4, minus 0.4, it should be like it here. So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to this value we can consider. Given only one proof, let us verify 37% answer. Only one he had given. That is 7% number of students he is asking rational roots. If he is asking only roots, it is also correct, but it is not at all rational. It is irrational. So don't consider. It is irrational. Since it is irrational, even though the value should lie between minus 1 and 3, it's okay. Whenever it is real, we can consider this one also. So therefore, number of rational roots. Number of rational roots is equal to only 1. That is, x is equal to minus 3. This much theory is there for this sum. This is IMP question. Next 38th question also depends upon modulus function. Modulus of x square minus x is equal to x plus 2. The roots of equation, roots of modulus of x square minus x minus 6 over modulus is equal to x plus 2. modulus of x square minus x minus 6. So case 1, case 2, both we should consider. Case 1, modulus of x square minus 6 is positive. So x square minus x minus 6 greater than 0. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 greater than 0. X taken common, x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. So x plus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. X does not belongs to closed interval minus 2 comma 3. So x less than minus 2 comma x greater than 3. You should consider the value, the roots whenever it is positive. Now I am ready. Now take modulus x square minus x minus x is equal minus 6 is equal to x plus 2. That implies x square minus x taken that side minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now you can write x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. X taken common, x minus 4 plus 2 taken common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 comma x is equal to 4. The value which should be greater than less than minus 2 greater than 3. So less than minus 2 you should not consider this one. This is no. This is yes. X is equal to 4 is 0. We got. Now case 2. Case 2 negative I am taking. X square minus x minus 6 is negative. So x square. In the similar way, we can understand x belongs to minus 2 comma 3. That now we can write taking this modulus as negative. Now minus x square plus x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2. These terms taken x and x will be getting cancelled, and the minus x square taken instead, 2 taken instead becomes x square equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2. The value should lie between minus 2 and 3. Minus 2 should not be. So 2 only correct answer. Minus 2 is open interval. So x is equal to only. Students, whenever you are taking as modulus greater than equal to 0, positive or greater than equal to 0 also you can take, then it becomes this is minus 2 like this. So is equal to 2 is equal to. So here you can consider minus 2 also. Minus 2 also. So minus 2 and 4. Here only 2. Therefore, number of roots are 3. They are minus 2 comma 2 comma 4. Minus 2 comma 2 comma 4. 38 question. Yeah, it is third option. Now 39th question. 39th question. For a greater than 0. First of all, we given the condition for a greater than 0. All the real roots of equation, quadratic equation, x square minus 3a into modulus of x minus a minus 7a square is equal to 0 for a greater than 0. Now we are discussing about all the modulus of function today. Quadratic equation x square minus 3a into modulus of x minus a. Case 1 I am right. Case 1. Modulus of x minus a is equal to x minus a if x minus a greater than 0. So it is a positive. And x minus a, don't write case 1 here. Simply the theory modulus of x minus a is equal to a minus x. If x minus a less than 0. Now we can write. So here if it is positive, the x value greater than a you should consider. If it is negative, the x value is less than a. Here x greater than a, x less than a you should consider. Now case 1. Case 1 means taking positive. X square minus 3a into x minus a minus 7a square equal to 0. So x square minus 3ax plus 3a square minus 7a square becomes minus 4a square equal to 0. By splitting the middle term, x square minus 4ax plus ax minus 4a square equal to 0. X taken common, it becomes x minus 4a within the brackets, and a taken common, here also x minus 4a equal to 0. So x is equal to minus a comma x is equal to 4a we got. The condition is here x should be greater than a, not minus. So this is no. This is yes. X equal to 4a is one answer is there. Next, case 2 we can write. Case 2. Case 2 is that is negative case. That means x square minus 3a into a minus x. X square minus 3a into a minus x minus 7a square. X square into minus 3a into a minus x minus 7a square is equal to 0. So x square minus 3a square. X square we can write here plus 3ax minus 3a square minus 7a square becomes minus 10a square equal to 0. So x square plus 5ax minus 2ax minus 10a square is equal to 0. X taken common x plus 5a minus 2a taken common x plus 5a is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5a comma x is equal to 2a. Here in this case we should consider x minus less than x less than a. Students, first of all for a greater than given. So x less than a means negative only we should consider, not positive. So this is no, this is yes. This is right. Therefore roots are, according to condition, roots are 4a comma minus 5a. 4a comma minus 5a. Fourth option. These are the most IMP objective bits. Depends upon modulus concept. You can face such questions in integration and different integration also. 100% you cannot face such questions in IPD. Only these questions are IMP for only object. Now 39 completed. Let us discuss about 40 questions. Question number 40. The set of real values of x satisfying modulus of x minus 1 less than or equal to 3 comma modulus of x minus 1 greater than or equal to 1 depends upon the two inequalities. You should consider plus writing the concept here. Consider, you should consider plus minus and minus minus. Full depends upon all concepts. You get the value. Case 1 plus case. So x minus 1 less than or equal to 3. X minus 1 greater than or equal to 1. Here you write x less than or equal to 4 and x greater than or equal to 2. X less than or equal to 4 and x greater than or equal to 2. So 2 less than x less than or equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 2. Like this. This is 2, this is 4. X greater than or equal to 2 gamma infinity and 4 like this. This is correct. So x belongs to closed interval 2 comma 4. Keep aside. Next plus completed, plus minus I am considering. X minus 1 less than or equal to 3 and 1 minus x greater than or equal to 1. That is, here x less than or equal to 4 and here 1 get cancelled, minus x greater than or equal to 0. That means x less than or equal to 0. So x, this is 4 here and this is 0. So this is correct. That means x belongs to minus infinity comma 0. It is correct. Skip aside. Next case 3. Minus plus minus concept. So minus, okay, plus minus I taken here. Now I am taking minus plus. Then we can write here 1 minus x less than or equal to 3 and x minus 1 greater than or equal to 1. So here minus plus minus and minus plus. 1 minus 3, here you can write minus 2 greater than or equal to x and x greater than or equal to 2. So x less than or equal to minus 2 and x greater than or equal to 2. This is not possible. This is 2 comma infinity, this is minus 2 comma infinity. So minus 2 comma infinity. So x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 union closed here, union 2 comma infinity. Next case 4. Case 4 is both are negative. 1 minus x greater 1 minus x less than or equal to 3 and 1 minus x greater than or equal to 1. So here minus 2 less than or equal to x and 0 1 minus 0 greater than or equal to x. So x greater than or equal to minus 2 and x less than or equal to 0. So draw a line is minus 2 critical point 0. So this is minus 2 comma 0. Less than equal to 0, it's okay. Now, for all depends upon the common domains. Common domain. Common domain for all real numbers. Minus infinity comma 0 is there, minus 2 is not possible. Minus infinity comma minus 2, here minus 2 chance is there, minus 2 comma 0 I am writing. Right, minus 2 comma 0 close union 2 comma 4. Let us see the option. Minus 2 comma exact distance. Whatever the possibility is there for all the chances, we should calculate the possibility. Now minus 2 comma 0 union 2 comma 4. Now 41 question. Modulus functions are completed. Let us discuss about other models. Simply he put a heading other models. Sin theta comma sin theta roots. I think already we have done this sum in yesterday's class, but it is in different way. Sin theta comma sin theta are roots of sin theta comma sin theta roots of 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the value of k? He is asking. Sin theta plus sin theta. Let us discuss sin theta plus sin theta is minus 1 by 2 and sin theta into sin theta is 1 by 4. It is not possible. It is not correct way. So the proper way we can discuss the value. Let us alpha x simply I am taking minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac concept minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus or minus 16 whole by 2 4 are 8. X is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 whole by 8. That is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 plus or minus root 5 by 4. So x is equal to separate I am taking minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 comma minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. This is logical thing. Yesterday already we have done this one. Sin 18 degrees is equal to we know root 5 minus 1 by 4 and a sin of minus 54 degrees is equal to minus of root 5 plus 1 by 4. So according to options here, k is equal to minus 3. Sin 18 comma sin of minus 54 are roots of this equation. 41 completed. Let us discuss about 43. 43rd question. It is very easy question. I think you have faced the 43rd question in mathematical induction chapter and in partial fraction chapter also. F of x be a polynomial for which the remainders divided by reminders divided by x minus 1 comma x minus 2 comma x minus 3 are respectively 3 comma 7 comma 30. Depends upon remainder theorem. If f of x is a rational polynomial, if x minus a is a factor of the rational polynomial, then f of a is equal to 0 is the rational remainder theorem. So verify the option. Verify third or second. Verify second option. Verify second option. F of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1. Students, put f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. F of 2 is equal to 2 squares. 4 plus 3 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. And f of 3 is equal to 9 plus 4 plus 1, 30. So everything is right. So everything is verified. Then he is asking, that's all. Simply he is asking divide by x minus 1 to x minus 2 to x minus 3. It is called as combined polynomial. It is simply second option. That's all. Now 44th question. It is also a variety question. Let a, b, c be the real numbers. A not equal to 0 if alpha is a root of a square x square plus bx plus equal to 0 and beta is a root of a square x square minus bx minus equal to 0. 0 less than alpha less than beta, so beta is smaller than alpha and everything is positive given indirectly. Then the equation a square x square plus 2bx plus 2c equal to 0 has a root gamma. Then gamma is x. Question is large. Given and alpha is a root of a square x square plus bx, a square x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And beta is a root of a square x square minus bx, a square x square minus bx minus c equal to 0. And gamma is a root of gamma is a root of a square x square plus 2bx plus 2c is equal to 0. 0 less than alpha less than beta, it's okay. Now we can understand here a square alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. A square alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. I am writing as b alpha plus c is equal to minus a square alpha square. Minus a square alpha square. It will be useful. Here a square beta square minus b beta minus c equal to 0. We can write here b beta plus c is equal to a square beta square. So b alpha plus c minus a square alpha square, b beta plus c, a square beta square. It's okay. Now, given the condition 0 less than alpha less than beta. Now again, f has, this is an equation, gamma is the root of this equation, is asking. We given the left, I am writing f of x. F of x is equal to a square x square plus 2bx plus 2c equal to 0. Now since gamma is a root, f of gamma is equal to a square gamma square plus 2b gamma plus 2c equal to 0. It is right. Now f of alpha I am writing. Substitute alpha here. A square alpha square plus 2b alpha plus 2c equal to 0. Students, you can understand from 1 b alpha plus c. Now I am writing a square alpha plus 2 into taken common b alpha plus c equal to 0. So a square alpha square, this is a square alpha square, this is only alpha, plus 2 into instead of b plus c minus, you can write minus 2a square alpha square, a square alpha square, from 1 I am writing. A square alpha square minus 2a square alpha square becomes minus a square alpha square less than 0. Because 0 less than a less than alpha he given, alpha is positive and a not equal to 0 he given. So it is 100% negative because alpha is positive he given. Because 0 less than alpha less than beta, meaning itself alpha is greater than 0. So less than 0. Now you can understand here f of alpha less than 0. Keep a sign f of alpha less than 0. Here f of gamma is equal to 0. You can understand using, of course, all gamma is f of gamma is equal to 0. Now I am writing f of beta also in this heading. F of beta. Substitute the f of beta here, that is a square beta square plus 2b beta plus 2c is equal to 0. Depends upon this equation, put it second equation, put it first equation. Depends upon b beta plus c concept. A square beta square, take 2 common here, it becomes b beta plus c is equal to 0. From 2 you can write, from second equation, a square beta square plus 2 b beta, instead of b beta plus c you can write a square beta square simply plus, so it becomes 3 into a square beta square absolutely greater than 0. Since I am writing 0 less than alpha less than beta, a not equal to 0 given condition and beta greater than 0, we got everything is positive. That implies we conclude here f of beta greater than 0. Now you can understand f of alpha less than 0, f of gamma is equal to 0, f of beta greater than 0. That implies that gamma is 0, this is negative, 0 positive. So you can understand alpha less than, gamma less than beta. So gamma is lie between the two roots alpha and beta. It is the conclusion. Now 44 completed. 46th question. The value of a for which the quadratic equation possesses roots of opposite signs lie in. Forty-sixth one. The value of a for which QE is 3x square plus 2 into a square plus 1 into x plus a square minus 3a plus 2 is equal to 0. Possesses roots of opposite sign. Whenever roots are opposite sign, condition I am writing. Condition alpha greater than 0, comma beta less than 0, or alpha less than 0, comma beta greater than 0. So, subproduct of roots, you can write alpha beta when it is positive to negative or negative to positive becomes negative. That implies C by A is negative or CA is negative. So C A into that means 3 into a square minus 3a plus 2 less than 0. 3 no need. Simply you can write a square minus 3a plus 2 less than 0. So a square minus 2 minus because simply a belongs to 1 comma 2. Roots are in 1 comma 2 factors. A belongs to 1 comma 2. It is discussing about that's all. Simply 1 comma 2. Third option. Now 48. Put a star here. This is advanced question. In 2007 in that way. I is equal to tan x into cot x. You can get the question in any competitive book. Y is equal to tan x into cot 3x, x belongs to R. So what are the range? So do carefully. Y is equal to tan x by tan 3x. That is equal to tan x by tan 3x formula 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. 1 minus 3 tan square x. That implies y is equal to this 1 minus 3 tan square x taken the numerator and tan x will be dividing. It becomes 3 minus tan square x. 1 minus 3 tan square x by 3 minus tan square x. We cross multiplication taking as subject tan square x. Y 3y minus tan square x into y is equal to 1 minus 3 tan square x. And right line. So 3y minus 1 is equal to tan square x into y minus 3 tan square x. That implies tan square x taken common. You can write this one as y minus 3 is equal to 3y minus 1. That implies tan square x is equal to 3y minus 1 by y minus 3. We know that every square is positive, that to trigonometric function, n square x is always positive. So let's verify this once again, verify the condition whether it is greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0 according to option. Okay, so x belongs to R given. So is equal to 0 also you can take. Since tan square x greater than equal to 0, that implies 3y minus 1 by y minus 3 greater than equal to 0. Remember this thing, if a by b greater than 0, that implies ab also greater than 0. Then you can write here 3y minus 1 into y minus 3 greater than equal to 0. So y does not belongs to open interval 1 by 3 comma 3. That implies y belongs to minus infinity comma 1 by 3 closed union 3 comma infinity, or y less than or equal to 1 by 3 comma y greater than equal to 3 is correct option. For the question, fourth option is correct. Now 50, question number 50. X square plus 6x minus 27 greater than inequalities. X square plus 6x minus 27 greater than 0 and minus x square plus 3x plus 4 also greater than 0. Let it be first equation, it be second equation. We should calculate the common domain. X square plus minus 3x minus 27 greater than 0. For 1 I am writing x taken common, x plus 9 minus 3 taken common, x plus 9 greater than 0. X plus 9 into x minus 3 greater than 0. So x does not belongs to minus 9 comma 3 closed interval. So x less than or equal to minus x less than minus 9 comma x greater than 3. For second equation we can write x square minus 3x minus 4 less than 0. X square minus 4x plus x minus 4 less than 0. X taken common, x minus 4 plus 1 taken common, x minus 4 less than 0. So x plus 1 into x minus 4 less than 0. X belongs to open interval minus 1 comma 4. We should calculate common domain. Common domain. Common domain for this number minus 1. This is minus 9 greater than 3. Minus 9. Critical points are getting minus 1, 3 and 4. Put here minus 1 comma 4. X less than minus 9. This side x less than minus 9. And x greater than 3. So this is. So my only common domain is equal to, that is 3 comma 4 is common domain. 3 comma 4. 50th question, first option. Now let us discuss about 51st question. The range of the values of x which satisfies 5x plus 2 less than 3x plus 8 and x plus 2 by x minus 1 less than 4. Here 2x less than 6, this is simply x less than 3. X plus 2 less than 4x minus 4. 6 less than 3x. So 2 less than x. X less than 3, x greater than 2. So 2 comma 3. 51. The given second option. So minus x greater than 2. Okay, another case is also there. X greater than 2, we got 2 comma 3 into first option or second option. 5x plus 2 less than 3x plus 8 is correct. And x plus 2 less than x plus 2 x minus 1 is also okay. 4x minus 4 everything okay. So this is 2, this is 3, 2 comma 3 is okay. And let us discuss about second option also. X plus 2 minus 4x plus 4 whole by x minus 1 less than 0. In that case, you can write 6 minus 3x by, this is correct, x minus 1 less than 0. 6 minus 3x divided with 3. 2 minus x by x minus 1 less than 0. We can understand. Multiply with minus x minus 2 by x minus 1 greater than 0. Use the concept a by b greater than 0, a b greater than 0. X minus 1 and x minus 2 greater than 0. X does not belongs to 1 comma 2. So x belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union 2 comma infinity. This much is there. So common domain now. Common domain is equal to minus infinity comma 1 union 2 comma 3 option 2. Option 2 is correct answer. Now 54th question. For x belongs to our least value of x square minus. There is no shortcut. 54th question. Previous subject questions I am discussing with you. Y is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5y, x square plus 2x plus 1. So x square y taken come. Okay, let us write first step. X square y plus 2xy plus y minus x square plus 6x minus 5 equal to 0. X square taken common, it becomes y minus y plus x taken common, but 2x taken common, it becomes y plus 3 plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Use whenever this is x belongs to R, use delta greater than or equal to 0, then it becomes 4 into y plus 3 whole square, 4 into y plus 3 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 into y minus 5 greater than or equal to 0, divide with 4, y square plus 6y plus 9 minus of y square becomes minus y square minus 6y plus 5. So minus y square plus 6y minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Y square will be getting cancelled. 6y becomes 12y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. We divide with 4y minus 3y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Y greater than or equal to 1 by 3. So he is asking minimum value. Minimum value is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is here minus 1 by 3 he given. Y square, yeah, it is plus 4 students plus minus, that's all. Minus 1 by 3. Fourth option. Now 50th question, the product of roots is discussed. 55th question, product of roots. Product of roots. Product of roots of equation modulus of x power 6 by 5 minus 26 modulus of x power 3 by 5 minus 27 equal to 0. So modulus concept. Put modulus of, you do one thing, modulus simply x power 3 by 5 equal to 5. You can write here y square minus 26 into mod y minus 26 greater than 0. Okay. The condition, no, he did not discuss regarding the condition. 26 into modulus of x power 3 by 5. So case 1, mod y is equal to y. If y greater than or equal to 0, so positive you take y square minus 26y minus 27 equal to 0. So y square minus 27y plus y minus 27 equal to 0. Y taken common, y minus 27 plus 1 into y minus 27 equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1 comma y is equal to 27. Whenever modulus I have taken as a positive, this is no. Y is equal to 27. That implies modulus of x power 3 by 5 equal to 27 means 3 power 3 you write it. So modulus x becomes positive. X is equal to x 3 power. This becomes 5 into 3 by 3. So 3 power 5 mp. This is a root. Case 1. Next is case 2. Case 2. Mod y modulus y is equal to minus y if y less than 0. Now y less than 0 we consider. So it becomes plus 26y minus 27 is equal to 0. So y square plus 27y minus 27 equal to 0. y taken common, y plus 27 minus 1 taken common, y plus 27 equal to 0. So y is equal to 1. Because it is negative, you should not consider positive. You should consider only negative. So y is equal to minus 3 whole cube, you write. That implies whatever the value we thought x, now you can write x is x power 3 by 5 is equal to minus 3 whole cube. So x is equal to, you can write minus 3 whole power 5. Minus 3 whole power 5. So product of roots, and he is asking about product of roots. Product of roots is 3 power 5 into minus 3 whole power 5. That is equal to minus 3 whole power 10. We should write product of roots of this equation is minus 3 whole power 10. It is first option. Here product of roots became minus 3 whole power 10. Here it is first option. Now 55 completed. Okay students, let us discuss the 56 and 57 questions in next class.